Hi everyone, I'm Falaq. I'm a makeup artist and our beautiful model is Varisha. So today we are going to teach you something amazing. A radiant glow starts with the perfect base. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to achieve that lit from within look effortlessly, and you're going to love it. So let's get glowing. I'm going to use the Selfie Ready Primer first. I like to apply it mainly on the center of the face. You can use it all over as well, but I like to focus my primers in the center because I feel that's how they work the best. This has a very nice finish. I think it's suitable for all skin types. You can use it in the summers, you can use it in the winters. I really love this. Now the real magic actually lies in these two products together. This is the Selfie Ready highlighter and this is the Selfie Ready foundation. And guess what? I'm going to mix these two to create that flawless complexion. So we're just going to do a little bit more coverage. That way we don't really need to use a lot of concealer. It's looking so natural that I feel like wow. अगर आप स्पंज यूज करोगे आपको ब्लेंड करना आपके लिए ज़्यादा easy हो जाएगा and your base is going to look more natural. If you want a fuller coverage, you need to use a brush for that. So now we're going to use Amrij's concealer. This is the shade number 2. And we are going to use a very small amount under the eyes because Varisha does not have many dark circles, so we don't need that much. I'm taking the shade 3 again of the liquid highlighter and I'm just going to use it on the high points of her face. This is what is going to give that glow from within look. So आपने eyebrow के ऊपर भी थोड़ा लगाना है. You can do this with a brush, you can do this with a sponge, you can do it with your hands. That's totally up to you, whatever works for you. Now on the other side, please. I'm just going to apply it in the center of her nose. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, just a little bit. So अगर आप इसको देखो, so it's giving this soft focus finish and it's looking very natural. We don't want to overdo it. Obviously, you don't want to look like a glow ball. So now we're going to use the star of the show. This is the Hall of Glow powder highlighter palette. And you guys, I love this palette. This is one of those things that you just need in your kit. I use it on my brides as well and I love it. You're going to see why. So I'm going to mix the first 2 shades. I always use these and I'm just going to apply them on top of the liquid highlighter that we used. You can see the glow. Oh my god, I love this. It gives you that beautiful finish on the skin. On this side, please. It's one of those highlighters that you don't really think it would be this intense, but it is stunning. So I'm just adding it on the high points of her face ताकि जब light इनके face को strike करे, so she's glowing. So now I'm going to use the setting spray. I've already set her face a little bit, just added some dimension with a little bit of blush and contour. Now this foundation is going to stay in place even if you're not setting it with powder and you're just using a setting spray. It's very easy to blend in, it stays put on your skin and gives a satin finish. So the setting spray has a very satin type finish. It's going to help your makeup stay in place without making it oily, without making it matte. It's just going to give you the perfect canvas that you are trying to achieve. So I'm using the shade Mandarina from the lipstick range, and it's such a beautiful color. It goes so well with almost everything and on almost all complexions as well. You can see it's just completing the look in the right way. And here is the complete look. You can purchase all these products at amrij.pk or any big retailer in Pakistan.